Hey guys, Sam here. I wanted to do an experiment on energy in general, and I came across a friend called Andy from Singapore, and actually we had a chat on the energy that affects us, things that we are not aware actually, and we are energy. Thoughts of other people affect us, but also what I was curious about was Andy is a specialist in numerology, and we had long discussions a few times, and I was quite amazed actually about what he said. So I did an experiment, and the experiment is actually write numbers on anything, but at least on fruits. So he asked me to write. Well, he did a demonstration on 2 fruits. So writing. So that's also taken from the number on your phone number. So the discussion was whether your phone number affects your health, your well-being, your wealth, everything about your life. So, and so I did this. So wrote 218 on one. So they are the same batch from the same shop, both at the same place. 2 different pairs. And the other one 413. So I don't know whether it's it upside down or whatever it is, but at least 413. And the other one 218. So 218, good number. So from his thought, well, no, actually from his own demonstration, he said that so people might have even chosen this one as a good number. But he actually said that that was a bad number with negative, that create negative energy in our bodies. So, and that is actually, you wouldn't believe, but this one, 413, which seems to be a bad one, but at least it's a good one. The apples, the pears have been in my office for 7 days straight, no refrigeration or no nothing. I didn't put them in the fridge, just out in the shelf. And surprisingly, the 218 got rotten. Imagine that. They are exactly the same batch from the same farm or same place, both from the same shop, same, literally I haven't done any left or right, but at least the only difference is 218. So thank you, Andy. We'll get back to you soon.